back here with the second of our tutorials of how to use or how to import an Anything World model into Godot. So this time, rather than going to our library and downloading our existing assets we've animated with our Superfly AI, I am going to show you how to rig and animate a model using our Animate Anything service and then bring that into Godot and let us play its beautiful animations. I've got a low poly eagle here, originally from, I believe, an author called Robert Mirabel. Sorry, Robert. So yeah, all the assets within our system are Creative Commons remixable, the ones you find in our asset library, and we always credit the author. So thank you for creating this very low poly eagle, Robert. So what I will do is I will animate this. It's a static model. It does nothing. I will use Animate Anything to bring this model to life. Yeah, so if you go to anything.world, you'll find a prominent link there, top right, to Animate Anything, and it allows you to upload lots of different categories of 3D model and then bring them to life. So first step is to browse for my files. I'll select the material file and the OBJ in this case. We take a bunch of different formats, GLB, FBX, you'll see them all up here. Then I click continue and Animate Anything will understand and bring that model in. That's the dream. It's pre-processing the mesh. Let's give it a name. Let's call it Good Eyes because it's, you know, an eagle. Let's see how the model's looking here. Looks all right. Actually, it's got no eyes. The model is pretty low detail. So let's change the name of the model to No Eagle Eyes. Model type, we'll go with bird, shall we? Because it clearly is a bird, as far as I can see. Okay, we go continue. Now our system's automatically identified it's a bird and flyer. It's a flying bird. I didn't tell it that. I thought it was a bird, but yeah, it's a flying bird. That's the right category. We have many different categories here. Bipeds and categories coming soon. Quadrupeds. You'd be surprised how many different types of quadrupeds there are. Lean hooved mammal being one of them you have maybe not thought about. But yeah, we have support for a lot of stuff now, and a lot of stuff is coming soon. You can see vehicles, water creatures, snake and worms here. But let's get back to what we're actually doing. It was a flying bird that our system identified this object as. So let's continue. The first step is to check the rotation of the model. Now I can see this guy here is not quite rotated right according to the guide on the right there. Now it is. So that's all cool. And my model is symmetrical. So we've done a bit of manual rotation there. And let's continue. This first step is the rigging step. Now, anybody involved in 3D asset production, animation will know how much of a pain in the ass it is to rig 3D models. Nobody likes rigging. It's a very time-consuming and boring thing to do. It's a good analogy would be flossing your teeth. You can do it once or twice, but after that, the interest really does wane and it becomes a chore. That's my rigging analogy. So yeah, our system, our AI-powered system has understood the model. It's now generating a skeleton for it, generating a rig for it. When it's done, we will have the option to, well, when it's done, that was quick. It can take a few minutes. I was expecting some more inane waffle there. It's generated a rig for the bird. You can see it doesn't precisely match in this instance, but I think it will be good enough to give us a good animation result. So there's our rig. Let's take it on to the next stage, which is animation. So now we'll apply animation to that rig. Yeah, now this stage normally takes the longest. It says up to 8 minutes, but for a low poly model like this, I would expect a lot less. So if you're concerned about the amount of an inane jabber that I will be firing your way, I understand your concerns. They make a lot of sense. But yeah, it shouldn't be 8 minutes, it should be about 1 minute. 1 minute can be a long time for me to talk about analogies between flossing teeth and rigging, for example. But yeah, Animate Anything, please do check it out. If you have any 3D models, you can download static 3D models from Sketchfab. In particular, Sketchfab has over 600,000 Creative Commons remixable assets. You have to credit them, that's very important. There's places like Polypizza where you can download stuff, obviously Turbo Squid, free 3D models. There's loads of different sources. Objaverse. There are a lot of sources of static 3D models that we use to power our system, and you can go there, download stuff. Obviously, you can model your own, and we take away the pain of rigging and animating those assets as well. But yeah, get your static 3D model, check us out, check out Animate Anything. You get 3 free credits a month, and you can just buy credit packs. But for free, you can try us out, see if it meets your needs, See if you can accelerate your game engine in game development in Godot, or what other engine you have. So yeah, I would advise that. Now remember, we are going back into Godot once we have this beautiful thing animated, and we will be playing the animations out. This is a grasshopper that we got previously. This one we got from Anything World's pre-animated asset library. So yeah, this guy's just doing this. We downloaded this one from our site because we've pre-animated a lot of assets at scale. Okay, in the meantime, here we are. Animate Anything has applied animations to our model here. So yeah, you can see we got big wings and a lot of flapping going on. Nice glide animation here too. So yeah, these animations have been automatically applied to this bird rig. So let's download the animations now. I will download only the fly, and maybe I'll download it as a GLB. So that should be downloaded now. And I'll take this model and I'll bring it into Godot, which I happen to know how to do because I did it 5 minutes ago for the first time in my life. So let us go and find that downloaded asset in my downloads. Where is it? It will be here. No Eagle Eyes Fly Zip. Whoops, I don't know why I did that. Okay, no Eagle Eyes Fly Zip. You are here. So let me drag this folder. If I can remember how to drag using my computer, that would be good. Can I drag you in here? Yes, I can. I put you in here for no apparent reason. That's bad. Then we can see this guy here. There he is. Oh, ready to fly. Let's put him in the scene. Put him in the scene. There he goes. At this point, it would help if I found my mouse. Whoops. Okay, let's have a look at his animations. Open anyway. Where did I put my mouse? I lost it. That was, oh, it's down here. What a silly person. That is me. Okay, cool. So now I found my mouse, I'm able to control the scene in Godot. You can see the rig there doing its thing. Let's play out the animations on this guy. Animation play, here we go. So there it is, there it is. There's our low poly eagle with flying animations on it. Doing its thing, doing its thing. If I knew how to loop animations, I can make it look better. Where's the loop button? Come on, come on. I actually don't know. So I'll just pretend it's looping. Look, there you go. I know so little about Godot, but it's taken me like a couple of minutes to auto rig and animate this asset and bring it into the scene. So I would encourage anybody using Godot to check us out. You can animate your own assets. You can bring in our pre-animated assets. There's so much that you can do. There is so much that you can do with us. Where's the animations going for this guy? Oh, we're still selected on him, aren't we? This guy has his own animations on it. Okay, so there's the bird. If I knew what I was doing in Godot, I'd use a bit of script to get these animations to play out and make a nice scene, but my intelligence does not extend to that level just yet. So yeah, here we are with some models from Anything Well, brought into Godot, pre-animated with our AI systems, or as you've just seen, animated using Animate Anything. And yeah, would really encourage you to try it out, see what you think, and yeah, definitely use us because it's fun. It is fun. Where's the animation player? Boom, here we go. Let's have a look at those animations one more time. A jumping grasshopper and my Godot skills here extending, and a flapping flying eagle. So yeah, that's us. Thanks very much for watching these tutorials. I hope it's been insightful, and I apologize for my complete lack of skill in the Godot game engine, but even ignoramus like me has been able to import some animations here from Anything World and play them out in the scene. Thanks so much. Let us know if you need any help, or if you're using Anything World and Godot to build some cool projects. Would love to know what they are. Thanks everybody.